heard you were called because I was calling you when you talk about it. I asked my mother again.
Okay, I'm hoping you'll be able to make it so we can finish our oral communication application.
Okay, who is the presenter in the given conversation?
Inday was a full center.
What is the stimulus of the given conversation?
Inday was asking Mayan if she is talking about the overnight study session for activity in oral communication.
Coded as stimulus.
Inday encoded the stimulus. The stimulus is the message Inday to send to Mayan.
Who is the receiver of the first message?
Mayan is the receiver of the first one.
Yes, Mayan gave feedback. Mayan said that her mother wouldn't allow her to go because she thought that the study system was on Thursday and they have classes on the next day. Later she admitted that she might misheard Inday while scrolling to TikTok and said that she would ask her mother again.
After Mayan gave feedback, what happened?
After Mayan gave feedback about her mother not allowing her to go due to a misunderstanding about the study session's day, she admitted she might have misheard. She then stated she would ask her mother again about the attending the study session.
What was there the breakdown in Inday and Mayan's phone conversation?
Yes, there appears to have been a breakdown in communication during Inday and Mayan's phone conversation. Mayan misheard the day of the study session, leading to her mother's initial refusal and indicating a misunderstanding of the information carried by Inday. What caused the miscommunication between the two over the phone when they talked earlier?
Mayan was distracted by scrolling through TikTok.
Was the given conversation successful? Why or why not?
Yes, the conversation was successful because Inday was able to clarify the correct statement for the study session. Even though there was a miscommunication at first, it was resolved and Mayan agreed to ask her mother again.
What caused the miscommunication? Okay, I'm hoping you'll be able to make it so we
Did Mayan give feedback?
Yes, we are giving it back.
Did Mayan give... okay.